So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix your Mac laptop computer running slow. Now, there is many different reasons why your Mac may be running slow, and one of those reasons might be that it's got a virus or some sort of malware inside the computer, right? So what we can do to fix this for free is to go over to a browser. And once you go to a browser, you simply want to search for a program called Malwarebytes. Now, there is paid and free versions of this, so you just simply want to go and download this to your device. As you can see, it is a free download. And then once we download it to our device, you want to then locate it. So if I bring it up here, what you can see is that you will then be able to scan your device for free. So the last scan that I did was on the 29th of the 3rd. Now, what we need to do is just simply click on Start Scan, and then that will then scan all of your items on your Mac. Now, if it comes back and says that there is any viruses, any malware, it will let you know and it will give you options to be able to fix that and remove those from your device. And personally, I've had problems with my Mac running slow in the past as well, but now it is running just fine, all thanks to Malwarebytes and the free version of Malwarebytes, and keeping up to date with the scans and making sure that my device hasn't got any sort of viruses or anything of the kind. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix a slow Mac. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.